Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. My name is Chagi, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I highlight and contour my chubby face, because you guys can tell that I have a very round face and my face is literally just like a ball, so I have to like give myself dimension, give myself a little angle, give y'all that sharp jawline. So today's video we're gonna snatch my face and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So let's just get right into the video. You guys can tell that I already have my foundation on and I'm wearing my Maybelline Super Stay foundation. If you guys haven't watched my last video thing that Maybelline has ever created, this foundation right here. So yeah, I'm wearing that, and then I already did fill in my eyebrows, so we're just gonna contour now and show you guys. So first of all, where are my products? Because by the way, just ignore my nails. Like guys, look how ugly this looks. It feels like I'm missing a whole finger. My nail broke yesterday, so we're just gonna ignore that part. But I'm just setting up. I feel like highlight my face. I'm gonna be using light, and then when I use this, it's just very similar to my foundation. So this is like the perfect combination for my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my face now. So you're gonna basically make a big upside down triangle. So I just applied this under my eyes, and I just do like an upside down triangle, just like how I did on this side. And I like to bring my contour, my highlight, all the way outwards, so just like that. And I also put it under my my chin, over here on my nose, and I also put a little bit product on my forehead. Now we're starting to look a little bit more crazy, and that's when you know you're doing a great job. And then we're gonna go in, we're just gonna do the same step but just going on top of like everything I just did. So now that we have this whole tribal print going on in our face, we're just gonna go ahead and go in with my MAC lipstick. And guys, you guys are probably thinking like, why is this girl using a lipstick? But this is like the perfect contour shade color. Many of you guys that are like darker skin probably know the struggle to find like a really dark contour color. So I feel like, you know, go to TJ Maxx and try to look for a lipstick that's from MAC that's like in the shade chocolate, right? This is chocolate. This works really good to contour. Unless you guys have any other suggestions, let me know, because I have a very hard time finding a very deep dark color that I can contour with. So when I found this, like obviously you can use it as lipstick and you can also contour with it, so it's like, why not? And this is what the little application thing looks like. Literally, it's meant for contour. Like, I don't know why this is a lipstick. This is meant to just be contouring. Actually, I lied to you guys, because I first go in with my contour cream kit from Anastasia, and I use the darkest shade, which is this one right here. You guys can clearly tell that I use it all the time because it's almost done. Yeah, I'm gonna use that with this brush that I got from Amazon. Don't really know the names of these brushes, but I got them like many years ago and I'm still using them. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this, and then I'm gonna apply that on my little chubby cheeks. You're gonna want to make that face again, so, and I just bring it outwards. I don't know, I don't really like to go in unless I'm blending it out. Go ahead, way darker. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of product out just because I'm gonna do my nose and I don't want it to be like super harsh. So I'm just gonna go in and just take it out on my nose. So going into like my eyelids, like the eyeshadow, then bring it out in my nose. Y'all just keep watching because I probably don't make sense when I talk, but this is what I mean. Don't want to make it too harsh, but yes, I might then blend it out, then do another thing, then blend it out. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do this right here. And I'm looking kind of scary right now, but guys, trust me, it's coming along. So now we're done, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm kidding. What if I actually went out like this? What would people think of me? Like, I would be getting hardcore looks. This is basically it. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend that out, and then we're gonna go in with the next step. So let's blend, and I like to blend my under eye using from Target. You guys can also get this from like Walmart, or I think you can get this from anywhere. It's literally like $1.89. Want to just go to Target and get yourself cosmetic wedges, because so I'm gonna go ahead and wet this first, and then I'm gonna go in and blend out under my eye. And I just put water in here, and I just kind of, you know, shake it out. You can also just like go to the sink and just put water in it, then squeeze it out. You don't want to put too much water, but you just want to make sure that it's damp enough. And yeah, I feel like I'm always thirsty in my videos. I literally talk so much, so I get so dehydrated. So I think that looks good now. So now we're gonna go take this brush, and we're just gonna blend this situation out right here. We want to make sure that we really blend this out, because if you walked out the house looking like this, people will really think that there's something wrong. So we don't want people to think that there's something wrong with us. Just make that kissy face and just keep blending out. If you ain't got the money to go out and get your using my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 35 Deep, and I'm just gonna set my under eye contour with that. So after that's done, I'm gonna go in using my Ben Nye Luxury Powder in Nutmeg, and you guys know that I use this powder all the time. I've had this over like a year and a half now, so I don't really need to put that much product on. I'm just gonna put that powder and set the contour, just because look how harsh it still looks right now. So what I'm gonna do is so now that looks about ready. Like, did I see that? What, did I have that before? No, the answer is no, I didn't have that before. After I'm done setting my face, we're gonna go in using my Bare 10 eyeshadow palette, and this is what I use to highlight. I got this palette from TJ Maxx. I just found it in the makeup aisle, and I was like, you know what, let me try this out. Literally fell in love with these two colors right here, and I'm running out, and I don't know what highlighter I should use next. If you guys know any highlighter that is very similar to this, can y'all please let me know, because after this runs out, my life is going to be so confusing because I don't know what I'm going to use next. I'm going to be using my 101 BH Cosmetic brush, and I'm just going to be using this color today just to highlight. So guys, we are at the end of the video now, and this is how my contour turned out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Also comment down below if you guys thought this was helpful, or if you learned something from me, or if you just enjoyed the video in general. Please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications, so that way you guys are notified when I am uploading a new video. Also make sure to follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. It's just Chagi_Malith. And yeah, that is it for the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.